Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Drama's Transport. Today we are at New Addington tram stop, taking the Croydon tram all the way from New Addington to West Croydon. Let's go.
Not all tickets issued by National Rail are valid on London Tram. Change there for tram to Wimbledon.
The next stop will be West Croydon.
Change there for trains to London and Sutton and London Overground services to Hybrid.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in the next video, and see you. Bye.